Hello, my friends. Welcome back to the Smart Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make one of the most delicious grilled recipes in Mexican cooking. Carne Asada. This simple marinade brings incredible flavor to the steak and makes it perfect for family dinners, backyard grilling, or weekend gatherings. And if you want to complete this meal, this carne asada pairs perfectly with fresh homemade guacamole and cilantro salsa, which you can also find here on the channel. Ingredients. To prepare this recipe you will need 1 20-ounce top sirloin steak, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon dried leaf oregano, crushed, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon coarsely ground black pepper, 1/4 cup orange juice, 1 tablespoon lime juice, 2 teaspoons cider vinegar, and 2 orange slices about 1/2 inch thick. Step 1. Place the steak in a shallow glass baking dish. Rub the steak with the olive oil on both sides. Sprinkle the crushed oregano, salt, and black pepper evenly over the meat. Step 2. Now pour the orange juice, lime juice, and cider vinegar over the steak. This marinade adds a fresh citrus flavor that makes carne asada incredibly delicious. Cover the dish and refrigerate overnight for the best flavor. If you are short on time, marinate the steak for several hours, turning it occasionally. Step 3. Before cooking, bring the meat to room temperature. Prepare and preheat your grill. Step 4. Remove the steak from the marinade but reserve the marinade for later. Place the steak on the hot grill and top it with the orange slices. Step 5. As the steak cooks, occasionally spoon the reserved marinade over the meat. Grill the steak for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side for medium rare. Cook longer if you prefer your steak more done. Remove the orange slices when turning the steak. Then place them back on top after turning. Step 6. Once the steak is cooked, remove it from the grill and let it rest for a few minutes before slicing. Resting the meat allows the juices to redistribute and keeps the steak tender and flavorful. Slice the grilled steak across the grain and serve immediately. This dish is perfect with warm wheat tortillas, fresh guacamole, and homemade cilantro salsa. Some people like to add mashed potato. You can find those recipes here on the channel as well. If you enjoy homemade comfort food and simple delicious recipes like this one, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and check the description below for links to our guacamole, cilantro salsa and the Cracker Barrel style mashed potatoes recipes to complete this meal. Enjoy your grilling and have a wonderful day. And I hope the rain stays away from your backyard today.